I'm ChanduMohammad, and currently I'm working as a senior automation developer in LTIMindtree. I help businesses to automate tasks and processes using RPA. Basically, this frees up their employees to focus on more strategic work rather than doing the boring tasks. Back in 2020, I have received CEO High Performance Award individually for delivering the complex mortgage use case in very short span of time, which has resulted in improvement 80 to 85% of EHT with 100% accuracy. Basically, we have used IQbot and Python scripting. These are very complex use cases back in that time. We have delivered it in very, very short span of time, and the team is very less. During the board game season 2, there was an opportunity given to community folks to organize a challenge. So I have handcrafted a blindfold challenge for loan processing using RE. Currently it is called as Copilot. This challenge invited participants to create a simple RE use case for loan processing. And the twist here is during a live session, we have selected a participant who was eager to explore the use case live using the Copilot. This session was well received by the community, and after it concluded, many community members who had never used a product or never heard of Copilot have successfully completed the challenge and tagged us on social media. This was a very particularly rewarding experience for me because this is something that I have done well, thanks to Automation Anyway for allowing community to do that. And this session is designed to be beginner friendly, specifically for those who have no prior experience building RE workflows and want to get started with easy to use Copilot interface. I highly recommend starting with Automation Anywhere Academy courses to gain a fundamental and foundational understanding. Personally, back in the days when I started my journey, I transitioned from .NET developer to automation space. The only place where I can learn and read about how to use the platform and other capabilities is the academy. So I highly recommend this to all the freshers or newbies. These courses cover the basics, and it also explains what is the need for automation, benefits, and provide a good hands-on experience.